Welcome to our video on fun ways to teach kids the importance of never sharing passwords. It's important for kids to understand the importance of keeping their passwords safe, and these fun activities can help drive that message home. Play a game of password protection. Create a list of common passwords and have your kids race to see who can come up with the strongest and most secure version of them. For example, take the password and have them come up with a stronger version like P@55W0RD. Have a password party. Have your kids invite their friends over for a party where the main activity is creating strong and unique passwords. Provide them with different resources such as password generators and have a contest to see who can come up with the strongest password. Create a password puzzle. Write a series of clues that lead to a password, and have your kids work together to solve them. For example, I am the first letter of the alphabet would be the clue for the letter A. The final password could be something like A1B2C3. Have a password scavenger hunt. Hide different passwords around your house or backyard for your kids to find. Once they find each one, have them explain why it's not a good password and how they would make it stronger. Create a password song. Have your kids write a song or rap about the importance of keeping passwords safe, and encourage them to come up with fun and catchy lyrics that emphasize the importance of never sharing passwords. By incorporating these fun activities, you can help kids understand the importance of keeping passwords safe and the dangers of sharing them. Remember, make it fun and interactive, and kids will be more likely to remember and understand the message. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful in teaching your kids the importance of never sharing passwords.